Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to use Monday.com for project management. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. And if you're looking for a CRM software, Monday.com is now the leading all-in-one project management. Click the link below in the description box to sign up for free today. So for us to begin, just simply go to your web browser and type in monday.com and you will be routed into their page. Here you'll be able to see their homepage wherein they will show you their features on what they offer. Here you can browse into what the platform is and you can see their products, their teams, their platform, and resources. You can also browse into their pricing, whether you can use it for sales CRM, work management, or dev, but in this we will be focusing on work management. And as you can see, there is a free plan that you can use, but it's only limited up to 3 boards and there are some limitations comparing it to the premium plans. You'll be able to see here you have the basic plan, the standard plan, and the pro plan. So for us to get started, just simply click on Get Started right here or log in if you already have created an account. For you to create an account, you just simply continue with your Google account, or you can type in your email and there's a few steps. You'll be creating your password along with it as well. Here you will be answering a few questions to make sure that Monday.com will customize or will show you the different informations or the different project management tools that you can use depending on what your purpose is or how you will use Monday.com for your project management. So here, just simply answer these questions and just click on Next. And once everything has been filled out, you'll be routed into your dashboard. And before that, they will ask you or prompt you to add your teammates or your team members, and then you'll be creating your first board. Here you'll be able to see on what columns you'd like to have on your board, whether you want the owner, the status, and you'll be able to see here on the left side or right side panel of the screen rather. This is how it shows, or this is a preview on how your project management would look like for that board. Here you can choose a layout, whether you want it a table, a timeline, or a calendar, or a chart. And here you can even add a task if you want to modify the name for each task. If you want to interchange that, you can do so, but you can definitely change that later on. So just click on Get Started and you will be routed back into your home page. Here you'll be able to see that you are routed directly into your board. The first board that we created, we named it Z here. And you will be able to see here that they offer, or this will show you a monthly task board for your, or table rather, for your project that you will have in the future. You can either have it monthly, weekly, or by projects. Here you'll be able to see on the right side, they also have a short tutorial for them to walk you through on how the platform works. So we'll be talking that here, as you can see, it has a visually interactive, or it's visually appealing rather. It's a visually appealing platform wherein it's color-coded. So by the time you will be working on each task, you will be able to assign each color, whether it's done or it's still in progress, or if you're having issues with it, you can definitely look into that easily because it's color-coded here with Monday.com. And here you can click on the Add New Group button. This will allow you to add another table depending on whether you want to assign that to the next or the upcoming months, or if you want to assign it specifically for a specific project that you are working on. And then here, you just simply click on the gray box and then it will prompt you the options, whether it's done or it's still in progress or you're having an issues with it, and you can even set the priorities as well. Similar with how the status of that specific task is being chosen, you can also set the priority, and there is also a color code for that as well. Here, you can see that there's a search option, you can add persons, you can have filters, sorts, and you can even have the option to hide a few details if you don't want that included in your table. Here, when you click on the 3 bars or 3 dots menu, you'll be able to see that there are more options that you can use. And here at the tab beside the main table, you can add a few more boards. For example, you want your board to be shown in a timeline form, you can definitely do that. Or if you want to have it in a chart form, you can definitely do so. You'll be able to keep track on how many projects are still being worked on, how many projects are being done, so that you'll be able to know on how far or what's the track, or this is a way for you to keep track on your project. So here you can also add a files gallery. This will allow you to have easy access on the tools like your Google Drive or some websites that you want to embed. And that's it. So you can go to your main table, and you can, here on the left side panel, you'll be able to add another board. Simply click on the plus button, that's the blue button right there, and then you can just simply edit the name. And then you have the option here, more options if you wanted to click on the 3 bars menu. And let's add another board here. So we can add a board, a document, or another dashboard. And then you can even set the privacy, whether you want it a private or if you want this board shareable to other teams that you have. And then you can select on what type of management you want for this board. Is it items, budgets, employees, or for a campaign? So here it is very similar to the other informations or the other boards that you will create, but you can definitely modify that depending on what type of project management you want this to be applied to. So here you can also add another workspace. So for example, you have another workspace for another project or for another company, or you have another client, you can definitely do that here. And you have templates to choose from as well. So if you will be adding a template or if you will be adding another workspace, you can choose a template. So for example, for your other client, you're a social media planner. You'll be able to see here that they already have a table for you to work on that's already set, and you just simply need to substitute all the words or the informations that are being added. You'll be able to see here as well the plan. It's an outline, basically an outline on what are the projects that you will work on here for your Monday.com projects. So here you can see that they have a few details. This is your inbox. So if there's any emails that your other colleagues will send you, you can definitely see that here. You also have an app marketplace where automation is very easy. For example, you want to incorporate your Excel file into your Monday.com project management. That's definitely good. You can add other platforms as well, like Google Drive or other third-party applications like Zoho or other parties. So here you'll be able to see all your workspace, and that's basically it. That's how you will use Monday.com for your project management. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!